If we, the pillar of PDP, we don't show strength, we miss in a whole lot of areas. This is the foundation of PDP in this country. Foundation is in South South. Even in the days of turbulence, everybody was looking at where our body language was. And by the special grace of God, the party is still standing today.
We are prepared and ready to set the ball rolling by flagging off our campaign here in Uyo, South, and by the grace of God, decisively winning the elections come February 2023. The good message I have for you is that you shouldn't mind and bother about the fact that APC is in various government houses in some parts of this country. The Oshun election had proven that, by the grace of God, PDP is the party that our Nigerians are looking up to at this dispensation. And of all the candidates, particularly leading candidates, Atiku Abubakar stands tall, very clear, with his experience, his achievements, and all of that.
By the special grace of God, I am one of your own. I am on the ballot with our candidate Atiku Abubakar. My strength lies in the collective strength of the leadership of the South. As Dr. Kowa, there's not much I can do, but with you and with the leadership across the South geopolitical zone, there's a lot that I can do. And I believe that I'm counting on each and every one of us to please help the South to speak very strongly with their votes, as we have always done in the past.
This is the zone that makes the difference. Our elections in Edo redefined electioneering in this republic. This is going to be a very, very different elections from what we've had and experienced in the past. It is going to be a very technical election. My brother, Governor Diri, will confirm that after what we did in Edo, with technology, using technology for the elections, we went to Oshun and manned the situation room in Oshun. And we could tell how elections are now being run with the new Electoral Act. So, my message this evening is that in this zone, we have the skills, we have the knowledge to support one another in manning and running these elections. As you know, elections are not won on election day. This is going to be a battle for elections at the unit levels.
South is the zone that has the preponderance of PDP governors than any other state, any other zone in this country. And therefore, the South zone should actually be, there is no mistake that this is the zone that is flagging off the presidential campaigns. Not only that, we have been lucky enough again to produce the vice presidential candidates. We have been showing working and will continue to show working. PDP is very strong in the South-South, across the 6 states of the South-South. Don't mind the little misunderstandings that we have. It is normal in a very big family. Even in smaller families, you have misunderstandings. Not to talk of a big family where you have 5 governors from the South-South zone. Very soon, we will settle ourselves.
The South-South is fundamental to PDP. The South-South is fundamental to the development of Nigeria. The South-South has great stake in Nigeria, and the South-South is PDP. The time has come for us to take control of the government of Nigeria and rescue Nigeria. Let me say, governors play a very vital role in the politics of Nigeria of today. In a state like this, where we have 6 governors, one Cross River is neither here nor there, where we have 6 governors, we should actually be very powerful. And I believe that the governors have a role to play at this time. And it's my opinion that this meeting should ask our governors to ensure that our brother, River State Governor, returns fully back to our party. It's my view that our governors, deriving from the meeting of today, should visit Governor Wike of River State and say the decision of the stakeholders is that we want him back to the party.
You will recall from the beginning of this 4th dispensation, PDP was in charge until the 7th National Assembly. We didn't know how sweet it was when you are leading. But suddenly, in the 8th National Assembly and the last one, we were at the back row. As I speak, we are at the back row. And I know whenever we meet all the senators, or when we meet jointly, we grieve in our heart that we let it go. This is another opportunity, Your Excellency. This is a great opportunity. And I know all your sons and daughters who represent you there represent different central districts and different federal constituencies. We have agreed with you, Governor Kowa. We've agreed with you with our principle that all of us, as much as possible, will go down to the grassroots and use our strength, the same strength that by the grace of God took us to the National Assembly, to work day and night until we take the front seat again, so that those of us who are going back to the National Assembly will not be grieved in their heart, will not have sorrow in their heart. So we assure you, we are with you, and by the grace of God, we will walk you through.